Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check videos on the Hayday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes. So that's my farm. You can check your farm in the home screen. I have buildings, but you can add different to your farm. Now, if you want to check videos, click to the letter icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here click to the second button, the videos, next to the news. And here you can find the different videos. For example, how to play the Easter egg event in Hayday, Golden Case explained, March update, all information. And if you click to the load more, you can check much videos. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.